Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's early in the morning and I look so puffy, but I need to dye my hair so badly. I showered last night and I went to bed with my hair wet, and this is what you get. You're welcome. So I haven't dyed my hair in a really long time. Like, it must be like 3 months. Like, it's been a while. Like, I can't even recall the last time. And I have so much gray hair over here that I need to cover. It's like grown out like this much, like 2 inches maybe. See all that? You see all that gray hair that came from? Gray hair is just, I don't know, genetic. It's something that runs in my family. My sister has had a bunch of gray hair since she was really little even. Like, thank God mine didn't come until, you know, I was in my older years, but we need to cover this. I always have thought like, oh, I should just let my hair grow up and then I'll have this cute little white streak, but it always gets to this point where it's like grown out a bit. And even my mom said, was like, oh, do you cut this? Like, now it's growing back. I'm like, no mom, it's just my other hair growing out. And then you think that it's that I've like cut it, but it's just growing out with my other hair. One day I will let it grow out, and one day, you know, not today. So I'm gonna be dyeing my hair with this puppy. This is the Garnier NUTRISSE Ultra Color. Now, this isn't like for gray hair at all. But if you have watched my hair dyeing videos in the past, I always dye my hair a blue black or else like an indigo like black color, just because it's so cool toned. I like my hair to be super cool toned. Oh, and it has a blend of avocado oil, olive oil, and shea oils to provide rich nourishment. That's amazing. So let's just get into dyeing my hair. If you haven't ever dyed your hair before, well, come along. It's gonna be a good ride. So you get 3 things in here, like you always do. You get the color, you get the developer, and then you typically always get a conditioner, which I love the conditioners so much. Which one is it? Right here. I live for the conditioners that come with hair dyes. It makes your hair so soft, and I'll like use it until the tube's gone. So this is gonna come into the shower with me. So you could read the instructions. I don't need to read the instructions. It's just what I do with the instructions is I always make sure I read the development time. So this one says 25 minutes, so amazing. And then, you know, I'll set this down here. Sometimes when I do this in my bathroom, when I'm not like sitting in front of all this, I'll actually put this little piece of paper in my sink. And then that way, if any dye falls, it'll like catch it. Before I start, I'm gonna put some petroleum jelly on my face. You can also use barrier cream. I'm like almost out of barrier cream, so this is cheaper than barrier cream. I got this one at Dollarama for $1.25, so bargain. And I'm just gonna pop some of this just around. I do have somewhere to go tonight, and I really don't want dye all over. Make sure you get your ears too. Oh look, we have a boy! Say hello, boy. You have to go away because there's gonna be chemicals and stuff, okay? You're already black-ish. I am going to be using the gloves that come along with the kit because, oh my god, will my hand fit? I have huge hands, so these like barely fit. I mean, I'm 6 feet tall, right? So like, you can imagine how big of hands I have. Hey! What you're gonna wanna do, pop the little tab off of this guy, which this is the cream developer. Take the cap off of the cream developer, and then you're gonna put in the color cream into that container. And typically it's sealed, so you can just pop it with the cap. And I like to really squeeze it out and make sure I get every last bit off. And then look, you have a built-in garbage can. So now we're gonna give this a nice shake and we'll be ready to go. So I've given it a pretty intense shake there, and I think we're ready to go now. I have a special way of dyeing my hair where I don't section my hair. I don't do none of that. I just go for it because I've done this so many times in my life. I think I have it down pretty well. So what I'm going to do first, I think I just pulled that all along my face there from when I was holding the cap. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna pull my hair back and I'm gonna go along my hairline, and then you'll see what I'm gonna do. So okay guys, I pretty much have all of the dye in my hair, and I didn't really get any on my shitty shirt. I hope everyone has like a shitty shirt that they do all this stuff in. There's like, it's pretty much empty. So there we go. I don't have the thickest hair, so 1 box of dye is fine for me. If my hair was really any longer, I might go up to 2. But for the length of my hair that it is and the thickness of it, because my hair is super fine, 1 box does me plenty. Now I'm just going in and massaging it into the hair a bit. So if I did miss any little spots, hopefully this will get them, but I'm pretty confident I got all of it. Then I'm just gonna wrap my hair up in a super loose bun. I don't want it too tight, just like that. And now I'll wait for the 25 minutes. And now I can just take these puppies off as well. And then throw them in my little built-in garbage can. Boom, done. Also, I wanted to tell you guys, if you do ever get hair dye on like a surface of any kind, like I got a little tiny dot right here on my white table from IKEA, hairspray. Spray it with hairspray, and hairspray will remove it. So I'm gonna, you know, wait 25 minutes and then check back in with you guys. So you guys will see me when my hair is new. Okay, I'm out of the shower, and guess what? Guess who came to join us? A baby. You're so soft today. Oh, look at this girl. Oh, love you. So I had shampooed my hair. I know a lot of people, there's like, should you shampoo your hair, should you not? I have to, because, well, I have white sheets, and like the thought of not shampooing my hair, like I just need to. I don't find that it like takes away from the dye, and I've been doing this for so many years. So I use the Moroccan Moisture Repair shampoo as a shampoo, and I just use like, not a lot, it was like a light shampooing, and then I used the conditioner that came with the dye. So shall we have the final reveal? I like see my hair here, which I also need to do my hairline, so please excuse the hairline. Oh, she looks black. She looks black, and look at that. Got my scalp pretty good too. That's another reason why I shampoo my hair, because like, how else are you gonna remove it from your scalp? I mean, yeah. So looks pretty good. Looks like my grays are all covered over there. I don't usually blow dry my hair, so I'm just gonna let it air dry, and I'll check back with you guys once it's dry, but it's looking good thus far. Nice and black. Oh yeah. What do you think, baby? Oh, straight. Oh. I want to take you with me everywhere. I love her. literally think she was a dinosaur in another life. Like, her eyes are literally a dinosaur. She was a dinosaur. You cannot tell me she doesn't look like a dinosaur. She literally is a dinosaur. Oh, little T-Rex. That's who she is. That's what she is inside. Okay, so check this in. Alrighty guys, here is the final result. It is so black and so beautiful. It has that nice cool tone to it. So yeah, like the blue black, it doesn't make your hair blue. It just tints it to be super, super black. And I'm just so obsessed with it. I love it. And now like my scalp looks so red compared to it. Yeah, I just threw a light curl to it. So this is my hair. I don't wear wigs. This is my okay, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My mirror is broken also. It like doesn't like stay. It like always tilts back, so I think I need a new one. Like, I can't even see myself. I need to fix these lashes too. My roots are all covered. I'm like hot. I'm like a little bit sweaty. They haven't turned the AC on in my apartment complex yet, and I'm just like dying. Hope you guys enjoyed dyeing my hair. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.